Thinking about building a high-growth career in cost and management accounting? Here, you will learn the complete CMA roadmap, presented by CareerAligns. The CMA course is designed to turn you into a financial strategist, cost expert, and business decision maker. We'll cover what is CMA, eligibility, course levels, registration process, exam pattern, smart study strategies, and career opportunities after CMA. Whether you're a student after Class 12 or a graduate planning a career upgrade, this roadmap will help you plan your CMA journey with clarity and confidence. Stay with me till the end. This could shape your future in finance and management. Let's get started. What is CMA? Begin with what is CMA. CMA stands for Cost and Management Accountant. It is a prestigious professional qualification offered by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, commonly known as ICMAI. The CMA course focuses on cost management, financial planning, performance management, strategic decision-making, and business analysis. Unlike traditional accounting roles, a CMA plays a key role in helping management take informed financial and strategic decisions. CMAs are not just number crunchers. They are strategic partners to business leaders, helping organizations improve profitability, control costs, and plan for sustainable growth. Eligibility criteria. Here you will know the eligibility criteria for CMA. The CMA course is divided into 3 levels: Foundation, Intermediate, and Final. For the CMA Foundation, students must have passed Class 10 or Class 12 from a recognized board. For CMA Intermediate, students must have cleared CMA Foundation or be graduates in any discipline except fine arts. Certain professional qualifications may also be eligible for direct entry. For CMA Final, students must have cleared both groups of CMA Intermediate and completed the required practical training. There is no age limit, which makes CMA suitable for students, graduates, and working professionals. ICAI Registration. Explore how to register with ICMAI. The registration process is completely online through the official ICMA portal. First, students need to create an account, choose the appropriate level, Foundation, Intermediate, or Final, and fill in their personal and academic details. After uploading the required documents and paying the registration fee, the application is submitted for verification. Once approved, students receive confirmation and access to study materials, exam forms, and student resources. Registering early helps you plan your studies and exam attempts more effectively. Key subjects and concepts. We'll break down the key CMA subjects and concepts that drive exam success. The CMA syllabus is designed to build both technical expertise and strategic thinking. At the foundation level, subjects include fundamentals of economics and management, accounting, business mathematics and statistics, and business laws and ethics. This level builds a strong base in commerce, accounting, and business fundamentals. At the intermediate level, the focus shifts to cost accounting, financial accounting, direct and indirect taxation, operations management, corporate accounting, and financial management. Students learn how to analyze costs, prepare budgets, manage working capital, and evaluate business performance. This level is crucial for developing analytical and problem-solving skills. At the final level, subjects become more advanced and strategic. Key areas include strategic financial management, corporate laws and compliance, strategic cost management, risk management, and performance evaluation. At this stage, students learn how to advise top management, optimize resources, and support long-term business strategy. Together, all levels prepare students to become high-impact finance and management professionals. Smart study strategy. Advance your skills with a smart and practical study approach for CMA aspirants. CMA is a concept-driven and application-oriented course, so understanding is more important than memorization. Start by understanding the syllabus and exam weightage for each subject. Create a realistic study plan with daily and weekly targets. Focus on numerical practice, especially in costing, financial management, and accounting papers. Practice writing clear, structured answers for theory questions. Mock tests and previous year question papers are extremely important to improve time management and accuracy. Regular revision and consistency are the real keys to clearing CMA exams. Exam pattern and passing criteria. Understand the exam pattern and passing criteria. CMA examinations are conducted in offline mode and include both descriptive and numerical questions. Each paper carries 100 marks, and the exam duration is 3 hours per paper. To pass, a student must score at least 40% in each subject and 50% aggregate in each group. If the aggregate is not achieved, students must reappear for the required papers. Balanced preparation across all subjects is essential to clear each level efficiently. After becoming a CMA, what opportunities open up after you become a CMA? Let's find out. After clearing the CMA final examination and completing practical training, students can apply for membership with ICMAI and officially become cost and management accountants. CMAs work in roles such as cost accountant, management accountant, financial analyst, business controller, risk manager, and chief financial officer. They are in high demand across manufacturing companies, IT firms, consulting organizations, banks, multinational corporations, and public sector enterprises. With experience, CMAs move into senior leadership roles and enjoy strong career growth and excellent earning potential. Additional tips for success. Enhance your skills with some practical tips that can make your CMA journey smoother and more successful. Stay updated with the latest amendments, accounting standards, and tax changes, as these are frequently tested. Practice time management during exams by writing answers within the given time. Focus on presentation, including proper workings, formats, and headings. Most importantly, stay disciplined and patient. CMA is challenging, but consistent effort always pays off. Training program. The CMA becomes simpler with the right guidance and a well-structured learning plan. The CareerAligns CMA training program is built to deliver strong concept clarity, systematic preparation, and a clear exam-focused approach. Students learn from experienced faculty, receive comprehensive study resources, practice through regular mock tests, and benefit from personalized mentoring. The program offers both online and offline learning flexibility, enabling students to prepare for CMA alongside academic or work schedules while developing strong fundamentals and exam confidence. If this content added value to your preparation, like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance and professional insights. Best wishes for your CMA journey.